What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back with another video. Today, you read the title, we're going to be talking about my top 5 sneaker pickups for the year 2019 so far, man. It's not going to be the final list. My final list is going to have 10 sneakers that I really was excited about copping this year. But just because this is the 5 right now doesn't mean that they're going to make the top 10, if that makes sense. Because I know it's a couple more sneakers that's coming out this year that might nudge a couple of these sneakers off the list, man. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now. We're on the ground to 20K. Make sure you hit the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video. And also follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. Link will be in the description box below. Let's jump into these top 5 sneaker pickups of 2019 so far, man. Let's get it. Alright, the first sneaker right here, I'm going to start off with a bang, man. The sneaker that really turned a lot of people's opinions about this sneaker, about the silhouette, and it is the Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott, man. A lot of people did not like lows. Recently this year, they've been dropping a lot of dope colorways, a lot of OG colorways of the black toes, stuff like that. And then they hit us with a Travis Scott Low, man, right here. And they said they're not re-releasing any more of these. That's just for the time being, because you never know, Jordan Brand might come back years later and drop a Travis Scott low. But people didn't fuck with the lows, man. I'm keeping 100. Even me, I didn't really like lows. I did not even know these were releasing until maybe 2 months before the release, you know what I'm saying? And they did a shock drop on these, it was a shock draw, which gave a lot more people opportunities to go and get them. But there's been plenty of sneaker draws, sneaker releases on the sneakers app that I missed out on because I overslept. Like, I don't have alarms that wake up at 9 o'clock. If I'm up, if I see a sneaker that's about to drop, I get on there. But on this sneaker right here, I was like, let me go ahead and put an alarm on. I had like an alarm on for like 30 minutes before so I can make sure that I did enter the raffle. I entered on like 3 different accounts, and your boy was successful on copping these. Very dope colorway. It's different. That brown, that suede, the premium touch to this sneaker really changed a lot of my opinions and my views about the Air Jordan 1 Low. Even though I copped lows before this sneaker, this one right here really put the lows on, you know what I'm saying? I went and copped the shattered backboard lows, the bread toe lows, the metallic gold lows. Your boy went on a low spree, man. But here you have it, my first sneaker in the top 5 countdown, and it is the Travis Scott 1 Low. Let me know in the comment section below right now if you cop this. And let's get into the next sneaker, man. Let's get it. All right, this sneaker right here, it is a silhouette that I don't really have a lot of, and I'm gonna bring out both of them. It is a Supreme 14 pack that they dropped for us. It gave us a blue colorway, and it gave us a white and red colorway. Me personally, I love the blue better just because it's black, man. I got a lot of white Jordans with that little touches of red, but I don't have a lot of that royal blue, that royal in the collection, man. So I personally like these more. I worn these more. You can't even tell I wore them because they got that black outsole. These right here, you can tell I wore because they're white. The white outsole get dirty real fast, and you gotta clean these things a lot. But these right here were definitely gonna make my top 10 just because all the bells they threw in here. Of course, it's Supreme, so it got a little hype to it regardless if it isn't high end or resale or anything like that. This sneaker does have some hype to it just because it is a part of a Supreme collaboration, man. So let me know how y'all felt about this release. They released on that Thursday on Supreme, and then on that Saturday, I believe, or Monday or something like that, they dropped on the sneakers app. I personally went after them both. I got this one right here on StockX. Go check out that 5 sneaker unboxing I did when I was coming back to the States. And I got these from one of the local resellers out here in San Antonio, man. Very, very dope shoes, man. So let me know right now if you cop these. Let me know if these are worthy to be on anybody's top 10 list, man. Let's get into the next sneaker. All right, this next one right here, I'm still debating on selling, keeping. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it just because it is a size 9.5, and I just don't want it to sit. It's a nice sneaker to have in the collection, but I don't want to keep it if I'm not going to be able to wear it. And here you have it, the Air Jordan 1 Satin Black Toes. As y'all know, I keep telling y'all this story. Somebody got to let me vent to them on why I did it. I sold my OG black toes for only 260 bucks. And like I said, I checked the resale a couple of months later, a year later, and it kept rising. And right now, for a pair of black toes, you're gonna be spending at least 700 plus, man. And it's crazy. I don't know why I did it. I really didn't know about StockX and Gold, how the market went. I was really just trying to help them out. So I was like, hey man, give me 260. It's $100 of retail, and you can get the shoe. And I let them go, and I'm regretting it now because I can't get that shoe right now. Like, I don't want to spend $1,000 on another pair of black toes. These right here are going for $1,000. So if I was to get the black toes, I have to sell these and then go right around the corner and get the OG black toes. So y'all let me know if y'all cop these. These sneakers right here did numbers. They still doing numbers on StockX. People was fighting over these. If y'all have not checked out my pickup vlog, go check it out. People was literally fighting over these sneakers. There was a lot of arguments. A lot of people mad they didn't get their pair, but your boy was successful. I got 2 pair of these Satin Black Toes. Like I said, let me know in the comments section below if you cop these. We're gonna get into the next sneaker, man. Let's get it. All right, here we have another OG colorway in the Jordan line, and it is the Air Jordan 6 infrareds, man. I had to get these. I copped these early on the German sneakers app. I was very shocked that I did. It was a draw, and I hit. I was like, I didn't even know I was gonna be able to hit on a draw. This is actually like one of my first draw pickups, and it was in Germany. So I was like, I can't believe I hit on this German sneakers app, but I did. Got them early, dropped that review and on feed for you guys. I got a lot of feedback on that video about this shoe, man. I was glad that Jordan brought it back out, and we got the Nike Air on the back right there. Check it out. And so a couple of other OG colorways that dropped this year that I definitely think will make the top 10, but these right here kind of edged out some of those sneakers along with the last sneaker I'm about to show y'all. But let me know right now if you caught these. These did not sit for a long time. They sat for a little while because it is an OG colorway. Jordan always produces a lot of these so people can go grab, and I had to get a pair. I was about to double up because I did wear these, and I was like, I don't like wearing my shoes too early when they release, because that's when everybody mess their shoes up when they're right when they release. I like keeping them on ice for at least a couple of months and then pull them out because they have so many other sneakers to wear. I like keeping my sneakers on ice, but this one right here was definitely a top 5 pickup, and it's definitely gonna make the top 10 list. So let me know right now if you cop these, and we're gonna get into this last sneaker pickup. Let's get it. Okay, the last sneaker, talking about this shoe so bad last year when I talked about the top 10 ugliest sneakers of 2018. Then the next year came 2019, and your boy picked up these off of GOAT app right here. And I spent, I think, about $430, and right now the prices is still rising. But me personally, I like the shoot arounds better. I love the light bone better in the black colorway. I did want to go back and get the OG black Fear Gods without the swoosh, but those things are going for a pretty penny, so I had to resort for these right here. I love the light bone colorway, and I rock these things as a sneaker kind. Very dope kick. And I turn a lot of heads with these. Not a lot of people rock the shoot arounds, but me personally, like I said, I like these better than the OG Air Fear of Gods, man. I know a lot of people gonna criticize this shoe to make the top 5, but it's a very dope sneaker, man. One of my favorite sneakers in my collection, that is. So here we have it, Nike Air Fear Gods shoot arounds, man. Alright, you guys, that is it for my top 5 sneaker picks of 2019 so far. Some of these shoes I got lucky on copping. Some of these shoes I had to go out and pay that resale price, but they are all here in the collection now. That's all that matters. Work for whatever you want to get. You don't have to go steal nothing. You don't have to go rob anybody. You don't got to sell no drugs or anything. Just work on what you want, and you'll get it at the end of the day. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. Make sure you like the videos. Get this video up to 100 likes. Subscribe right now if you have not subscribed already. Hit the notification bell for your boy if you have not hit it already, so you never miss another video, live stream, or anything that drops on the channel. Appreciate everybody for giving me the 18K. It really means a lot to me. We're right around the corner from 19K, so help me out right now. Share the videos, whatever you got to do, and make sure you comment and let me know your top 5 sneaker pickups so far in 2019. Appreciate all of the support, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.